Ebusia for me mama akwa shonko eba too much GH muniaba musum phone na ama obusa enye na meji eja say na eye ensema esi ewo ye man mu Ghana ha say na me de betuja e de ma ahwefo eni etifo se si adai de wo social media de e trend one eye Ibrah one issues aba any expose a wo muso wo ye fa eye fraud boys ne scammers wo Ghana ha no na ebusa for ensem no eni adane pa ye butubututu je say nkofo kra ape baby edwo muti akoshe because ensem de we a eni eba no one baby anta one hia na wo abegim enche bia na ye blogger bi edebetu just say they see at the Ghana ha FBI American investigative group bi abepiem Ghana ha wo nam enkofo 9 9 ena wo nam ena wo bepiem Ghana wo ye investigations fast scammers any fraudsters wona sha say Ibrah wo musa ekoso Nigeria ni abrante hash papi mu a wo allege say wono so ye indulged in fraudulent acts as a was scamming America from Sika Esumbo $100 million na no erihwemu ena wo ye actress bi abaga Ghana has so no scammers ni ebi wa ha transactions scamming transactions so ebi etimi afan to mo ba ha e de abehwehwemu ache enkofo a wo mo ye involved in those things na ensem we kra ente koda no enche bia na one of the big boys wo Ghana ha Ibrah one and the kasa say Ibrahim Dauda wo sha say what the threatens e de ekoma honorable Kennedy Japan esan expose a wono so na ne threatens a wo de ba bonte te say Edi kan semeti honorable no na ma honorable so ebufu ne say si ades wono ebe threaten no na wono onimpa say wono so ta secret ne tese ne source of wealth ne kwampo no enhye da NCP sa edi wono so ebe wa den no kwado no so be so den mu no so a kire say to me e wo baby eno ti honorable eko so ka say wono eye Ibrah one obe expose no wo be ma eye BNI for akọ na kache ama mo nsa akoso no mu se be ya wono so boni dia wedi ne fraudulent art kasa wodi abagana expensive kasa wontria ho kaye no wo be ko no akọche no na enu na kana for esu say sa threat na eda Ibrah one so na man no so we bie na na tese wo snitch e wo ne yonkofo so a wo mo ye into scam and fraudulent no emu ene ebiem to FBI ni BNI for mabeka bo mo Ghana ha wo mo ye sa scamming investigation to na no na ama boy no ai na din say wo bia wonim no a ono akasa ye scammer tese ebre bi atwem kra ya che no for money laundering into wo be bie and wo bie na no was snitching on all those people who are involved onim mo so me involved in scamming ne ebiem so no fraudulent activities no na ebusa for na no bia we bie ene tese there akọdai honorable Kennedy Japan no ama ekuo bi a wo mo ye tese fraud boys association mo Ghana ha mo ba bonten ama wo mo so be kire se Ibrah one wonya hwenim na wo ye no wo bi ankoka ne honorable bo a wo bo nkofo di years pozenya no wa mo no Ibrah one din wo no onye sofo ono so onye tese asori nipa onye obi okwa asori eye den na Elbrand honorable ne expose a wo ye no ekofa no ma ono so be den honorable ya ma tese wo ye ne ya tese ya start investigations wo no so no e ho no ma enseme bia bi opportunity keke e dia snitch e wo nkofo so enu nti na wa ye tese wo de nani ato honorable so tese wo den honorable se honorable enfa na ni bre embeso no nti wo mo de omo pa tese de eye Ibrah one wo mo mpesa o ye no mo mpesa kra Ibrah one ade a wo ye a wo de honorable no one chance akrabo no say ono wenya ne sike wie we di muda why we are living the lavish lifestyle where you chika sakese ne be they say ano so fele say wa chile we na wa bra and one chambo na say ade je mama ne nko ye kra enko ka honorable ma honorable MS investigations embwa FBI for any BNI for ma be pemu ase emo be hu omo nsem mu tese eme ya asem kese emfa mom ne bisa for Ford Boys Association no one with the video about bonti obetro mu nsem na bisa for ye go video ne ba another group so aba be kasa afa ensem we ye do no so ebeto aso edi amamu
Fraud Boys Association FBA in Ghana ye letter to Ibrah one Ibrah you know say we are chairman we are boss we are godfather workmen but the only Japan and yempe enye me Japan me and I suppose biama ni me nyama meseme wo meseme market no already market na di say because they say ko be ni kra na won crofo ba kwa be ten the fish be ni fridaka coronavirus no border na yatum ntimi ma yesrew adwanu mu no say enti nyama kre Japan sanfo na ni bla meso so you know say chama de adwuma sisi ada toto kale adade na wadwiri wunu akwakume ho abe na me starte anan mi koda fuda ka we chena mbete sesa me cry antino o itri chona ba so kuna mnewu ala ba ku Germany wansa koda fuda kama wonu so wu na se adwuma na me ye no ja Ibrah wo sa de kre Japan
Sena mechanical no video na ene ya kwhwe no fraud boys for no to say woman ni abrepa eye Ibrah one o ya manani atena ne nto o ya te say ama woman no agya no abo mu nti wo so mpere entena say ehwe no e ma ne say embie na no kasa kasa any house no na wabo ne dam no pese onye ne ho fia e no nkwanko na wo so eye ku wo so mote Ghana wo so omudidi e wo fraud ho de wo mpene e ma wono no ntese ne nyama bia wo ye ne embe affect wo nti wo so makasa e de achem na ekuafofro na make mo asem no so ye emabi a wo mo Ghana ha ye from tem bi as slave queens wo so maka mo abom se ku ababonte a kire se honorable ehu omomobo ma honorable enya so ema Ibrah one nsema wo keka ene se no wo pe kwa ma se BNI 4 abaye investigation staff na brabo na mu ho no ma ye de akotche nkofo no ma honorable nya so crate enu kana Ibrah no nkofo keka na adwum wires na bi ate wo yi na ni kra ma no kra bo na Ibrah no bi a oja no kwapo no Ibrah one be bi oja no enye gina papa bi anti won forget the kra na no ana slave queens association for na abeka se womo member ya fraud boys ya na support womo no aduane a womo medi womo tali a womo behye womo rights a womo chinia no fraud boys ya na sponsor womo enu say as a honorable edna ni break so fraud boys now be ya investigations yi womo to a no mo no womo ko enfa bankruptcy in the paper mo so tie bisa for yen ko tie se no womo so womo ka womo nsem wo video we emu
Slave Queens Association in Ghana SQ issue statement to beg Honorable Kene Japan. So almost say Honorable Kene Japan. Many fraud boys say there are some Honorable Kene Japan summer when they was so some won't just because abandon more youth know and a youth now finding their way out to make their own money. Almost like Kene Japan. Expose Come de be baka na anya sam kutra amaya ber omberry come any brand bridge be pa omanga na anya sam kutra because sad adi we was some no and say kumpa na almost say me answer from boys associate I work Ghana umpono omutimi ko work asi ekowia mudi koku no mukowia fanta omuwia Dansoman nyomuhia akoko funu akoko set akoko funa ya won mpane nyomukowia na how much more than say expose yi abema fraud boys adwuma no akofo ala wo begu ma ko be sell market ne dia ene ombede ene afi no mu week ebe se mo chire support ene abija konfo dia tede ene ombebre party almost say Honorable Kene Japan. So you should movie no information pa go already see if anyone sometime no sasa expose no more because if ebe that nipa wan ka no kra sewe we see no wan ka and the go expose bonsam ni if nsam no na bonsam sa ko pa nyakopa che ni nyina sa ko trade ntromo anu na second association som say Honorable Kene Japan o chaso and I say a community breach de baba Ghana.
Ghana had any J wa ha say any braba and it is the Fraud Boys Association e biem so no Slave Queens Association about bonta not to say ni braba baby eja to baby at say ho e dere butu e dia moment o wo so about bonta aba express wo mo displeasure at what is going on between Ibrah one and Honorable Kennedy e Japan. E be for yen some of the comments aba Ghana for e chomadwen efa ensem no ehom we efi Peterson no say the coming is doing a ban we are still here, our fingers are crossed. Or not just say one the almost share the econia womunitia, one who be dear be I don't think the best be our own won't be the best to Ghana Hayati and quite the big on there. We're keeping the fingers crossed. I washing him and wound the air corning. Where's to Effie a year? Donald next to a dear what I was saying. Ghana here, it no be today where fraud, lifestyle starts. Every time FBI come, they never get anybody. it's just one of those things. But no so action at you no so when say bibia no ebetimi asi bibia ntimi nsi fraud boys almost say o Ghana hanye nne omo maintain one standard omo adwuma wo mo ye for almost years over 20 years ni wo bia entimi entu adwuma na say ne na ho no abokene Japan ni expose bi e de ensemble bromont we de ye forget cry entu engu we so efi eye William ne dia wote abose Ibrah 1 kona koka never be kan ye why go on and stop go on with that and stop all that is going on around. You go and speak about them, and when the time comes, you also get the heat of the situation. Or also actually, na John say Ibrah 1 way otu unkwa na wote edwuma wo ye unkwa na wodi ho faso wedi awia ma afoforo so ndi ho den na ekoka nkofo foforo so wo na wo wie ya ba na wo pe ase ho a unkwa akọ ne ko se ho enye ma ho na bofo ni brembe so nkofo akeka wo so mo bebi omo dwo mo wo mu your business genuinely a obi a ni omo he te se eni asem na se fraud eye genuine business a mo amo be kire ye hwe eye tell ma so e dia wodi abehya asem the Slay Queens part kill me. It finished me cry. Hey, Slay Queens too have an association in Ghana here. Also, action at you know the end one what I say. And my what Ghana have. What makes me a cabo my year? It say association. So much of me Slay Queens. So much of me and so much Slay. No my pet boys. I have big boys. Some here into fraud scamming. Almost was the car. Or make them that sponsor. Almost no. And one what I say Ghana. It could be say ever. It was a for the airbait there. And this was she and kasa and some no. And now you they see the Snapchat. Twitter, ebiamuso no Instagram, bibia yes, bibia so ja, bibia so red. Wobia tena so otie the latest update ebeba from a yes scam and any fraud issues as say FBI for pim Ghana ha omo ye sa ensem no emu ehwehwemu. Na de be pf mu bia stay tuned or too much GH by subscribing to channel way. Click the red button because anytime there be update stories no, obetimi enya notification no e wo phone eso. Na ebiamuso kai say we be share video way and dem adofo bisanfo bibia bia na fofo so ka ho no mo so montimi enhu their aircom too much GH our Instagram follow our page so at too much GH_ within the na ama owusa ene aha anam de besi that's an ebe say ehia bim makramu
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na